Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix login problem in your ChatGPT. As you see here, when you log in your ChatGPT account, it sends you this message. Oops, you tried signing in with a different authentication method than the one you used during sign up. Please try again using your original authentication method. Now, this problem you face, I will show you how to fix this problem or how to solve it. So let's start. First thing, what you're going to do, you go back. Then what you're going to do next, you go to your ChatGPT, as you see this, as you see like this. Then you click on login. You click on login. The first way to fix this problem, my friends, is by not entering your email there. The first way is by going directly to continue with Google. Click on continue with Google like this. Then it will show you many accounts. Here what you're going to do to log in again on your account, click one of your Gmail account like this. Then as you see, it takes you directly to your ChatGPT account. So this is how to fix your problem, login in your ChatGPT account. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next.